I'm going to tell you the best tool for your HR strategies, from automated onboarding to HR requests to self-service portals and a lot more. Hi, I'm Sakshi, your ServiceNow expert from InfoBeans, and you're watching the second in our LinkedIn series. Today, we are going to talk about the Human Resource Service Delivery module of ServiceNow with a real-life example of a large organization that saved a ton of money and gained competitive advantage just by using this tool. And trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this. A large German conglomerate in the industrial manufacturing sector was facing challenges simplifying its HR processes. Due to its operations in more than 100 countries, the company had to conform to country-wise HR policies and adhere to local norms, which was a gigantic effort. The two main challenges were streamlining the employee pre-boarding and onboarding processes, managing different systems for different HR-related needs. And here's what we helped them achieve. Custom dashboard tailored geography-wise for applicants and HR teams. Populate compliance document for third-party verification files. Status tracking by bot with its intuitive color coding system. Automatic email notifications. Integration with admin and other HR functions. These are just a few solutions. The possibilities with ServiceNow's HRSD are endless. Identify what's keeping you from delivering an exceptional employee experience. There is a solution to every problem in ServiceNow's HRSD. Stay tuned for the next in our series where we'll talk about the CSM module of ServiceNow.